Hello, little readers! Ready for another fun reading adventure? Get your reading voice ready. Let's begin. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Again. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Awesome job! Listen carefully, then read with me slowly. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Great reading! You rock! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reading practice. Let's keep going. Te, ta, to, ti, tu. Perfect. Ti, tu, ta, te, to. Awesome, kids! Let's try another rotation. To, ti, ta, tu, te. Fantastic! Tu, to, ti, ta, te. Very good reading, kids. Now, let's read fast. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Te, ta, to, ti, tu. Ti, tu, ta, te, to. To, ti, ta, tu, te. Tu, to, ti, ta, te. Great energy! Wow! You're doing amazing! Clap your hands for yourself. Let's read it one more time. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Again. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Fantastic reading today, kids. You did a wonderful job. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Like and subscribe for more. See you in our next reading lesson.